Perfect. Perfect.
This product costs anywhere from $250 to $300. But if you watch the whole video, I'm gonna show you how to get it for even less than that. Holla at your boy. Watch the whole video. Peace. See, this is an excellent product if you don't have a touch screen, navigation, able to have Bluetooth or accept phone calls in your car. Man, this gadget is wonderful. But for me, my car already comes with navigation, Bluetooth. I can make calls, do all that. But what my model radio don't come with is able to play videos. So I got this strictly for videos. But for people that don't have none of those features, you will have it all. So check it out. Let's get to it. Here you go with your 9-inch screen. Yes, 9-inch screen. That's plenty of, that's real big. That's real big. That's big enough for you to see what you need to see. And here go all your accessories. So let's go ahead and pop these boys out and see what we got up in here. Again, you got your 9-inch screen, and this is something that Amazon don't order. This your vent holder to be able to put your TV on your vent. And this your cigarette lighter. And that's another dashboard. This your aux. This your stick, the 3M sticky to stick it on your dashboard. And what I didn't pick up was your window holder, able to suction cup it to your window. But me, I bought that extra vent holder. I think the vent holder is the sweetest thing besides what it comes with. I had to get that extra piece. I had to. As you can see, man, you got everything you need right here. You don't have to go out there and purchase, that high-ass screens and adapters and interfaces for, $600 to $1,000 to $2,000. No, man, you can go ahead and simply plug and play. Put this in if you just want to watch videos. But if you need Android Auto and all that stuff because your car doesn't have a touchscreen, you can go ahead and, get this right here and it'll solve your problems. As you see, got Bluetooth, USB, the SD card, the FM transmitter is to, transfer all the music through your car, speakers. You got your settings, your EQ, Autolink, AirPlay, Android Auto. I mean, you got all that right here, man. You got everything you need. Set it up for yourself, man. Because the only reason I got it is, again, just to watch videos. Nothing more, nothing less. As you see, that's it. I just got it to watch videos. If I want anything else, my navigation system, and I use my regular 8.4 for all that. But I don't got CarPlay because this is a 2015 Dodge Challenger 392 SRT. It don't come with Android Auto or CarPlay. That didn't come out until 2017 for our cars. So for me, or any other car that doesn't have Android Auto or AirPlay, you know, this is a good accessory. It doesn't cost nothing at all to go ahead and get what you need up out of it. Again, it's better than spending all that extra money, what, just to watch some videos, navigation. Come on, all that you can be done from the phone anyway. Come on, man. This ain't nothing but an accessory. As you can see, me mirroring my phone from down there to up there. That's it, that's all. So I mean, if you wanted to, I guess, say look a little bit prettier, I guess, you go ahead and spend that money. Take your radio apart, put all the interfaces on it, or snatch it out and upgrade to that, $1,000, $2,000 radio. It's up to you. But if you like me, just trying to save a little money, because it ain't like, I live in the car and I need to be watching videos and stuff all day. No, it's just, an extra accessory, so when I am in the car, you can do something a little bit different. I like watching videos, instead of just listening to them all the time. You know what I'm saying? Besides that, man, how can you go wrong, man? Touchscreen. Control everything from right here. That's all I need it for, man. Other people gonna use it for, its other options. But me, I'm just using it to mirror my screen. That's it. Just want to mirror it. As you can see, I just want to mirror my screen, watch me some direct TV up in here, watch me some YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying? And besides all that, man, come on, man. Let me get into showing you, how good this option is compared to the other options. Let's get into it, YouTube.
Okay, I brought the Uconnect.
As you can see, this option calls for you to take your radio apart and put an interface into it to make it CarPlay, Android, video compatible. But taking your radio apart, it don't seem that complicated, but some people just don't want to go through that whole process. Some people want a simple plug and play, or, the easiest possible. And, this is not the easiest possible, but this is an option.
And then on the other side as well, 1 and 2.
So, continue to watch this. And Gita is going to show you the price and how much this costs. And as I say, this is another option, but this is not an option I really want to do at the time.
We'll go to the printed circuit board on Nifty City, and then the Nifty City cables will go back into OEM. Once you've gone ahead and installed the...
And as you can see right here, the price not bad. Not bad at all. Compared to the other price I'm getting ready to show you. But come on, man. Not everybody wants to go through the process of taking their radio apart and trying to do this. I mean, it really depends on how bad you want it, but how many people really want to go through it regardless of how bad you want it? Who want to, go through it? Take the chance of breaking their radio or not putting it back together right. I mean, it is a chance, but besides that, like I say, it is an option.
1, on your balls. 2, grab a handful. 3,
Your goddamn button! You heard what she said.
Now, this is a simple plug and play, but you lose a few options. I do, for this upgrade, and people like me have a car like this. You lose, your steering wheel, heated seats, and you lose a few options trying to upgrade your radio, especially at this price. At this price, I ain't trying to lose no features. No features when I buy this radio, just to be able to navigate, CarPlay. No, man, look at this, man. You see these features you lose Well, I will lose, and people like me with the same car will lose if we upgrade radio. And at that price, nah, man. I bought the car with all them features. I want to use them features. At that price, no, I can't do it. Again, another site. Price is ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. And the options that we lose for cars like mine, we just lose them features, man. It just don't make no sense. And for this price, man, you could do all of this on your phone for free. I mean, just to upgrade our radio. And then look at this. This is a used radio at that price, man. They selling you used radios for brand new prices. I mean, it's out of hand, man. This is just another option. Again, eBay, another site, and look at these prices, man. Look at these prices, man, just to upgrade. For, well, this is just for really, like I want to say, our car. It'd probably be cheaper depending on what type of radio you have to upgrade in your car. But for people with the same car that I got that needs to upgrade their radio, oh my God, man, these prices is ridiculous. Ridiculous, man. The option I'm going without losing features, come on, man. If it ain't the best option for me, I don't know what to tell you. But besides that, man, it's another option. Just another option. Like I said, if you made it this far, I was going to give you a code. Leave a comment down below and I'll give you the code because I'm going to show you. Look at this, man. $300 for this radio from Amazon. If you buy it strictly from CarPuride itself, this is how much it costs. But I bought it from CarPuride, as you can see. Look at my discount. Yeah, I got a discount code. I erased it because I want you to get this far, to let me know you got this far. And if you got this far, leave a comment and I'll give you my discount code so you can get the product at that price. Come on, man. And that's with an accessory. Holla at your boy. Peace.
What are you, fucking nuts?